Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I'm about to go get a hair trim soon. I'm gonna leave soon. I just thought I needed a trim because I haven't gotten one in like 5 months, and I thought I would vlog it because I get so many questions about my haircut. But yeah, my hair is not on point today, that's why it's tied up. So when I take it out of the hairdresser, it's not gonna look good. It's just really frizzy and undefined and stuff. Sorry, I'm just sitting on my floor. Oh, there's a mess over there, hide it. I thought I'd show some new jewellery I got today because I get a lot of questions about my jewellery, where I get it from. And what I'm wearing today is my newest pieces added to my little gold jewellery collection. So I love these little earrings. They've got like the twisted gold detail and they're just such a perfect size for every day. These necklaces are my favourite ones currently. So I've got this like chain detail one and then this really pretty little star gemstone one, and they're both like a choker length. They also sent me these gorgeous silver hoops. I've wanted like thick silver hoops for a while. I can never find them with this thickness because I have gold ones, so thank you for sending me these pieces. All the pieces come in a really cute little fabric bag. And something special about Ana Luisa is that they're a sustainable brand and they make their pieces from recycled gold and sterling silver, which is amazing. They also have a really good price range, so there's pieces for like $49 up to higher end pieces, so there's something for everyone. But yeah, I think wearing just little chokers and little hoops really adds to an outfit. I'm always wearing hoops every day and little necklaces, and I always get compliments on them. When they asked me to pick pieces off their website, I couldn't decide. Like, I love all the pieces. You definitely have to check them out if you're wanting some new jewellery. And in their letter to me, they said it takes 20 tons of earth mining to produce a single ring of gold, and cheap jewellery is rarely recyclable, so it makes a huge waste. So they're really helping out the environment by using recycled materials. If you guys want to shop these pieces, I'll leave my discount code on the screen, Olive10. I'll do a before image, a before of my hair, and then we'll compare it to after I get my trim. Like, it's not too bad. I feel like it's just a bit frizzy lately, and maybe I should just get a little trim. I don't really want to go shorter, just a little trim to keep it nice and healthy, and maybe she could shorten like my layers just a bit. So after I get it cut, then I'll probably wash it and style it because yeah, my hairdresser doesn't style it for me. I just go home and wash it and style it myself, and then yeah, I'll go through that routine and we'll see the end result. Let's go. So it's a bit later, I got home a while ago, but yeah, that was a bit of a fail. I thought I would try vlog like the actual hairdressers, but Amy, my hairdresser, she was trying to explain like she doesn't really, firstly she didn't want to be on camera, which is fair enough, like lots of people don't want to be on the internet. She also doesn't want me like going around and like promoting her place just because, I don't know, it's like a local place, and she thinks like girls will come and like show photos of my hair and be like, can you make my hair like this? But like really she doesn't style my hair or anything, she just trims it and stuff. She was saying like the haircut is important, but it's only 50%. The rest is like styling and it's up to the customer. So she knows that I'm a good customer. I have a lot of experience and passion for like hairstyling, so I know how to style my own hair and I don't rely on the hairdresser to do that. So yeah, that's why I can't say this is where I get my haircut, this is the haircut I get. Like, it's not really necessary because I think you can just go to your local hairdresser, get a trim, get some layers cut in, show them the kind of shape you want from a photo. So yeah, I literally leave the hairdresser and my hair's looking like this. So yeah, I leave looking like this, and like if other people left looking like this, they'd be like, it looks so bad. But it's because I'm gonna go wash it now and style it and put my products in, and then we'll see the end shape. But I can feel that the ends are nice and fresh and the layers are all neatened. What she does, she basically dampens my hair and brushes through each layer, trims each layer. She like shortened the top layer a bit so I'll have more volume. So I'm excited to see the end result after I style. So I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm gonna use the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Shampoo and then the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner. Sorry, my phone just went off. This is the conditioner I'm using, it's Shea Moisture as well. So I'll come back when it's time to style. Okay, I'm out of the shower. I'm gonna check which styling products I'm gonna use. Okay, so I've decided I'm gonna use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. I've raved about this one before. It's nearly empty. It's just really, really good for thick hair, I feel like. very nourishing and moisturizing. So I just put that throughout my whole hair. I'm putting a lot at the back of my hair because that's where it tends to get dry. Next product, I'm going to use the Frizz Ease Dream Curls Mousse by John Frieda. And lastly, I'm going to use the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel. Then we're going to use the Demon brush just to style and define the main bits that I want to define. So you just brush through and push up, scrunch up. And I've never tried this. This is the Brio Geo Farewell Frizz Conditioning Spray. So I'm just going to spray some of that. Test it out. Okay, now we're going to let it dry and we'll see what the final outcome is. I'm not sure if it's going to look much different. I guess we'll find out. It will probably be dark when I come back to you. Okay, so I feel like it's really short, but I feel like you always feel that when you get a haircut and then you just get used to it. Yeah, let me know what you think. It's a lot, it just feels so much fresher. Like each curl is more defined than before. I was having trouble with frizz for a while and I feel like it's because the ends of my curls, they were all a bit stringy and like getting knotted up because I hadn't gotten a trim in a while. My hair's still transitioning because I've only been curly for a year, so I still feel like I need to get trims here and there. But yeah, I do want to try grow it longer. Yeah, just all the curls, even at the back, are really curling up and it feels really fresh. I recommend you get a trim if you're struggling to maintain your curls and get the most definition out of your curls. But yeah, I feel like my hair grows quickly. I take a lot of vitamins, hair vitamins. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I'll do a before and after contrast and we can see the difference. I'm sorry that I didn't get to vlog inside the salon, but as I said, the haircut is only half of it and then the other half is styling, so make sure you check out my other styling videos. I do product reviews, I'll leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching this little vlog. I hope it helped you out if you need some curl tips. Check out my other curly videos. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my Instagram. I'll see you in my next video.